Hey everyone! Welcome to today's English practice session. In this session, we'll continue with shadowing practice, one of the most effective ways to improve your English speaking skills. It helps you train your tongue to avoid slippage and builds muscle memory so you can speak smoothly and respond naturally in real situations. Just repeat each sentence out loud after the beep. Try to match the tone, rhythm, and flow as closely as you can. Let's start. I will be right back. I will be right back. That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. Is your back okay? Is your back okay? She hurt her back yesterday. She hurt her back yesterday. This bag feels really heavy. This bag feels really heavy. I forgot my bag at home. I forgot my bag at home. That's a beautiful dress. That's a beautiful dress. You look beautiful today. You look beautiful today. Don't be late again. Don't be late again. I'll be there soon. I'll be there soon. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. My back still hurts. My back still hurts. Please put it back. Please put it back. Can I see your bag? Can I see your bag? This ball is flat. This ball is flat. We played ball outside. We played ball outside. That's a beautiful name. That's a beautiful name. Because I said so. Because I said so. Be kind to others. Be kind to others. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Let's go back home. Let's go back home. That's a bad sign. That's a bad sign. I packed my bag early. I packed my bag early. Throw me the ball. Throw me the ball. He works at the bank. He works at the bank. I'll be your friend. I'll be your friend. Beat the eggs well. Beat the eggs well. That's a beautiful song. That's a beautiful song. Be careful with that. Be careful with that. I cried because of that. I cried because of that. Put it in your bag. Put it in your bag. The ball went outside. The ball went outside. She runs a bank branch. She runs a bank branch. I'll be okay soon. I'll be okay soon. Don't beat yourself up. Don't beat yourself up. What a beautiful morning. What a beautiful morning. Be honest with me. Be honest with me. I stayed because of you. I stayed because of you. Let's go to the bank. Let's go to the bank. He fell on his back. He fell on his back. That's not so bad. That's not so bad. I zipped the bag tight. I zipped the bag tight. The ball hit the window. The ball hit the window. I can be better. I can be better. Be ready by 10. Be ready by 10. Beat the heat today. Beat the heat today. She's a beautiful soul. She's a beautiful soul. I left because I had to. I left because I had to. Please come back later. Please come back later. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I'll get my bag. I'll get my bag. Kick the ball gently. Kick the ball gently. The bank opens at 9. The bank opens at 9. Be strong, not rude. Be strong, not rude. He beat me at chess. He beat me at chess. That's a beautiful place. That's a beautiful place. I stayed because I care. I stayed because I care. I need to be alone. I need to be alone. Put the bag down. Put the bag down. I want my ball back. I want my ball back. She's back from vacation. She's back from vacation. The soup smells bad. The soup smells bad. Let's go kick the ball. Let's go kick the ball. He ran back home. He ran back home. I can be myself here. I can be myself here. You beat the deadline. You beat the deadline. She is truly beautiful. She is truly beautiful. Be still, stay calm. Be still, stay calm. He left because he could. He left because he could. That's a bad excuse. That's a bad excuse. Great job, everyone! Today we explored words 41 to 50 from the 3,000 most common English words, which are essential vocabulary for everyday conversation. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review each word and its meaning. This will help you understand the words better, so you can use them in your everyday conversations. Please like the video and subscribe to support and motivate us to make more practice sessions like this. Ready? Let's get started. The first word is back. Back means to return to a place or to refer to the part behind you. Like, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Next, we have bad. Bad means not good, or something unpleasant. Like, that was a bad idea. Now, bag. A bag is something you use to carry things. Like, she forgot her bag at school. Here's ball. A ball is a round object you play with. Like, he threw the ball across the field. Next is bank. A bank is a place where you keep your money. Like, I need to go to the bank today. Let's look at base. Base means the bottom or the starting point of something. Like, they built the tower on a solid base. Now we have be. Be is used when talking about who or what something is. Like, I want to be a good person. The word is beat. Beat means to win or to hit something again and again. Like, they beat the other team easily. Next, beautiful. Beautiful means very nice to look at or listen to. Like, what a beautiful sunset. And the last word is because. Because is used to give a reason. Like, he stayed home because it was raining. That's all for today's 10 words. You did something great by learning and practicing with us. These valuable steps will help you speak English better every day. Try to use these words in real conversations and keep practicing them often. Do a little shadowing practice every day. It really works over time. You are doing well, and we are happy to be part of your language journey. If this session helped you, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Please tell us where you are from and what you think about this session in the comments. It means a lot to us. See you in the next session. Thank you.